Hello, in this video I want to show you how to repair guns in Stalker Gamma. And to do this, first we'll need to find the gun that we want to repair, and in this case let's go for this pistol that I have right here, and I'm just gonna move it to my main inventory. And next thing, I'm gonna talk about the parts. So each weapon consists of different parts that you need to have repaired. And this gun is on 24 condition. It has all of the parts, almost all of the parts, kinda good condition. The only problem is the trigger. As you can see, it's broken to 48, and we can't accept that. We'll need to replace it. Now you need to walk around the world and basically field strip your other guns that may contain parts for that gun and find them at least above 60 condition. And you can do it by right clicking on any gun and then field strip and find the part that you need to replace. So now when we have that ready, we can find the trigger. I hopefully have it. Yep, it's right here. Now we can replace it, and this gun is basically good. Only problem is its condition. And to fix the condition, we'll need to take and find weapon repair kit with appropriate type. In this case, it's a pistol A. You can see it right here. So I'm gonna take that repair kit, and then we can open our main inventory again, double click on that repair kit, select the pistol or whatever gun you have, and repair it like this. So you can add different supportive materials to actually increase the quality of repair. So now if I click on repair, it will upgrade it to 34%, and each time I will do it, it will increase the total repair. Now another thing I could cover is repair toolkits again. So we can move to the workbench, and if you want to craft any different repair kits, you'll need to find them right here in the crafting menu. And there's one for type C, type D, type A, and type B. And you can craft them with different tools. So for type C, for example, you need advanced tools. For type B, you need basic tools, and sometimes you can even buy them in the technician trader. Right here there's type A, type B, but there's no type C. And that is basically how you repair your guns. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.